You can see my forehead.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, guys.
Michael and Mo. Yeah, Michael and Mo here.
And my
I forgot our
attachment.
names. And Chow.
This is a chow.
So today we're gonna talk about how you dry cups.
I learned at my lovely restaurant that I work at. Sorry, I had hiccups. That it's best and fastest if you work in a restaurant to dry your cups.
We don't work in a restaurant.
Just standing up so they air dry nice and quickly.
Wrongo. You're supposed to. Okay, we don't work at a restaurant, Mo. So we were in science class. We were in science class, and
It's in a tissue box.
we used the little beakers, and we had to put the beakers, dry them off after they were watered, and then I wanted to put it down so all the water would come out because we don't work in a restaurant. We don't have a dryer. That's what Mo's saying.
I don't have a dryer.
Or in your restaurant.
We don't have a dryer at our restaurant. We face them up on the counter so that they dry.
I don't agree. I disagree. I think you should face it down so the water stays down and goes into the paper of towels.
But that is only.
People are trying to infiltrate. Get out of here, people.
It's only useful when you have a dryer that you put your cups on, so there's
Exactly.
air underneath
No.
it.
You,
So there's air
you
underneath
have
it.
air. This doesn't make sense. Okay?
We would love feedback on how you dry your cups because we cannot agree.
Comment in the comment section below.
Please.
We have to go to class now.
Goodbye.
Have a nice day. Michael and Mo.